Okay, let's look at question number 17. Okay, question number 17, you just have to be very careful and make use of this angle 45 degrees. MPA is 45 degrees. That means this part is 45 degrees. And it is given that MP is actually square root of 56. Square root of 56 is actually 2 square root 14. Therefore, this part here is 2 square root 14. And then the length of PN is 12. Therefore, I think we need to make use of the theorem that we know. The perpendicular that passes through O will bisect the chord. I think this is the one that we know, right? The perpendicular that passes through the center will bisect the chord. Therefore, this is not only perpendicular, it will bisect the chord. That means this part here is equal to this part here, right? And can I call this point here Q? I call this point here Q, right? Therefore, what we are trying to say is that MQ is equal to QN, right? And it is equal to what? It is equal to 2 square root 14 plus 12 over 2. And that is actually 6 plus square root 14. All right. Therefore, now, and can you see that this angle here is also 45 degrees? This angle is also 45 degrees. Therefore, you enlarge it. Can you see that this angle is 90, right? This is O, this is P, and then this is Q, right? And then this is O. And this angle is 45 degrees. Therefore, this angle must also be 45 degrees. Right? Yeah. Okay. Therefore, what does it mean? That means actually the length of PQ is the length of OQ. Is the length of OQ. Okay, therefore, what is the length of PQ? What is the length of PQ? The length of PQ is actually MQ minus MP, right? And that will be just equal to what? That will be just equal to 6 plus square root 14 minus 2 square root 14. And that is actually 6 minus square root 14. That is the length of PQ. All right. And in this case, can you see that because PQ is equal to OQ, right? And then now I can join this. I can join this. Yeah. Therefore, what is the length of PN? What is the length of PN? The length of PN is actually equal to the length of ON. That means in this case ON. Can you see that ON is actually OQ squared plus QN squared, plus QN squared. Plus QN squared, right? And then PN squared is just equal to, this part here. Can I say that this part here? I am trying to find ON, right? The radius of the circle. The radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is just equal to ON squared, right? And ON squared is actually OQ squared plus QN squared. And then OQ is equal to PN. Therefore, this would be 6 plus 6 minus square root 14. 6 minus square root 14, and then you square it. And then what is QN? QN is actually 6 plus square root 14. Therefore, this is 6 plus square root 14. And then when you expand, I think you will know. That will be 6 squared minus 2 times 6 times square root 14, and then plus 14, right? And then for the second one, this is plus 6 squared plus 2 times 6 square root 14, and then plus 14. Therefore, you can see for yourself that the middle term cancel out very nicely. Therefore, what you get here is 72 plus 2 times of 14 is 28. Therefore, the answer here is 100. That is ON squared. All right, ON squared. And therefore, ON would be just equal to 10. ON would be just equal to 10. And the radius, that is the radius of the circle. Therefore, that is the radius. And the radius is just equal to 10. That's it.